Hi to all. Today we do the calibration of our Keratron NOVA. To do that, we need the test eye provided with equipment, and we have to go in calibration. Here, the system provides you the value that have to be the same of the one printed on the test eye. If you have to change it, you can increase it or decrease it with the two arrows. When you reach the one present on the test eye, you can push start, and the equipment will start acquiring. Put the test eye in front of your equipment and start to screw and unscrew the test eye. The target that you have to reach is to bring this icon here in the center, in the right position. To do that, in this situation, you have to unscrew counterclockwise the test eye. And as you can see, the equipment go near. Suggestion is to overtake the position a little bit, and when you keep on pressing the foot switch or the joystick of the base of the or the bottom of the Nova, come back a little bit. In that way, the acquisition is done, and this pop-out comes out and tell you if the calibration sphere is clean of the dust. In that case, it's totally clear, and we say yes. Another pop-up comes up, and it asks you if the mire has corrected traced on the eye. And even in this situation, you have to say yes. When you say yes, the system moves to the far sensor calibration. In fact, now the system told me that the eye is too near to the sensor. I have to screw the test eye in a clockwise direction. It's very far away, so I have to unscrew a lot. But in a moment, as you can see, the eye start moving back. So also in this situation, I keep on pressing the button or the joystick base or the foot switch, and I keep on unscrewing. I reach the OK, pop-ups comes out and tell me if the sphere is clean, yes, and the second one comes out and asking me if the mires are okay, and I say yes. In this way, I've done my calibration, and I can start using my Keratron NOVA.